Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valet.io. I'm Valerio and I'm part of the WordPress maintenance team here at Valet. What does the future of WordPress have to do with your business? If your website or clients' websites use any plugins, it could have a lot to do with it. The current shift in the online economy has brought a lot of focus to the current set of tools available to website owners and how they could be improved. Expect to see more options in targeted markets in the year ahead. To read more, check out the getellipsis.com blog or follow the WP Valet on Twitter to get the article link right into stream. Accessibility is an ongoing topic in the WordPress community. In recent years, the focus has been on fixing a website to meet accessibility standards and laws. This can be a waste of time and resources if the cost outweighs the benefit of rethinking the website from the beginning with accessibility front and center. If you're working on refreshing your site or redesigning altogether, we have a great list from the Bureau of Internet Accessibility in the description below on the things you need to keep top of mind to have an accessible website in 2021. Don't forget, your real-life users are more important than moody search engine scrollers. That's it for this week. Have a good one.